Hello students, today we are going to learn about the chromosomal disorders. In our last video, we learned about the Mendelian disorders, the genetic disorders, which were disorders are of two types, Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders. Now, the Mendelian disorders are the disorders which are resulting due to the mutation of one gene, and that gene is affecting the individual or causing the defect or the disorder. And here, in Mendelian disorder, the inheritance is as per the inheritance of principles of inheritance the Mendel gave. Now, the second type of disorders are chromosomal disorders, and these disorders are because of the change in the number of chromosomes. The set of the chromosome is changed, or the number of the chromosome is changed. In my previous video, I have discussed that what are the different things which can happen when there is alteration in the chromosome. The morphology can be changed, the number can be changed, and as per if the sets are changing and if the numbers are changing, there are different terms. And if the total set is changing, the polyploidy can be there. But this polyploidy is common, is very rare in animals. It is common in plants. So here today we will see the chromosomal disorders in human being. First disorder is Down syndrome, and this Down syndrome has got its name after the Langton Down in 1866. He was the scientist who first reported about this syndrome, or he first described disorder that this is the disorder which is present in human beings, and it is a chromosomal disorder. This disorder is due to presence. Now, what is the cause of this disorder? As I told you, it is a chromosomal disorder. So, there may be addition or deletion of the number, the plus or minus of the chromosomes. So, this order is due to the presence of an additional copy of chromosome number 21. That means how many copies we are having? We are having 2 of each chromosome. 2 chromosomes of number 1, 2 of number 2, 2 of number 3. Similarly, we are having 2 of number 21 also. Total, we are having 23 pairs. So, 22 and XX in females and XY sex chromosomes in male. But if there is additional copy of chromosome number 21, so if there is additional copy of chromosome number 21, that means there are 3 chromosomes number 21. 3 chromosomes of number 21. And this is called trisomy of 21. This is called trisomy of 21. And in my previous video, I have explained that how this trisomy can occur because of the this junction of the chromosomes at the time of separation during the formation of gametes. What happens? The homologous chromosome both will come into the one gamete, and if that gamete is fusing with the normal gamete having one set, so 2 plus 1 will become 3. So the child will have 3 chromosome number 21, and this is called trisomy of 21. The symptoms of this disorder are short stature, small round head. Basically, if the number are more or less, the IQ of that child is low, and mental retardation is the common problem. Small round head is there, furrowed tongue, and the child is salivating all the time, and he or she keeps mouth open, partially mouth is open, palm is broad with characteristic palm crease, single crease is there, deep crease is present, and physical, psychomotor and mental development is retarded. Physical development is also retarded, Psychomotor development as well as mental development is retarded. So these are the symptoms of Down syndrome. Now just see this. These are the symptoms. The growth failure, flat back of head, abnormal ears, many loops on fingertips, then palm crease, as I told you, this characteristic palm crease is there. Special skin ridge patterns are there. Unilateral or bilateral absence of one rib, then intestinal blockages, umbilical hernia, abnormal pelvis, diminished muscle tone, broad flat face, slanting eyes, epicenthic eye fold, short nose, short and broad hands, small and arched palate, big wrinkled tongue, dental anomalies, then congenital heart diseases, enlarged colon, big toes widely spaced. This picture also shows some physical signs: decreased muscle tone at birth, excess skin at the nape of the neck, flattened nose, upward slanting eyes. So all these are small ears, small mouth, wide, short hands with short fingers, separated joints between the bones of the skull, then single crease in the palm of the hand, and white spots on the colored part of the eye. So these are the symptoms of Down's syndrome. So this was all about Down's syndrome.